Hi everyone, my name is Amr. I'm from team Elkrem, and we make it easy to build Ethereum connected IoT products. So IoT is booming. There are expected to be 20 billion devices by 2020. And when we talk about this huge number, it's not like consumer electronics. It's mainly the enterprise applications where IoT makes a huge difference. And the IDC expects that 20% of all IoT deployment will have blockchain-enabled services, and that's in 2019, like next year. When blockchain meets IoT, you see amazing applications. Like all the applications developed in this hackathon are really, really great. So you see applications in asset rental, like the smart locker you'll see soon, and where you pay the machines, and machine-to-machine transaction where Amazon drones negotiate with the charging stations and paying crypto, and also where the privacy really matters in government and healthcare applications. Blockchain has a lot to add to the equation. But there's a huge problem. Like, the problem is, let me walk you through how a developer would build a hardware that talks to the blockchain. You first choose a generic board like a Raspberry Pi. You install the Linux image. You add a microcontroller to get high-speed GPIOs. You do firmware upgrade. You protect the crypto keys and so on, so on, so. And then you start developing your application, the one you actually want to build, right? So hardware is hard, but when you add blockchain, it's even harder, right? And the solution is simple. Like, this is our solution. We save all this hectic process, and we let you focus on the actual application you want to build. We're making the right tool. That's it. So we're providing a development board that you code using our Elkrem SDK, and then you upload the code on the board over Wi-Fi, right? And to give you a hint of what it consists of, so it has a microcontroller that is user programmable, and you have a microprocessor with a light node, and then they communicate with each other, right? Now zooming out again, you have the physical world where the sensors and actuators, right? And then you have the decentralized world. Now we take care of that. And we have our board that the users see, and you only use the IDE and SDKs to build iOS and Android apps, right? And to show you how easy it is to build projects, we've built our own demo, like using our development board. So enough with the tech talk, let's see a demo. Oh, yeah. So you know how someone gets lazy doing his or her workout? Well, we are forcing you to do your workout in this application. So basically, you lock an amount of money in a smart contract, and you say that you're committed to do punches on a sandbag during a period of time. And if you don't, the money goes to charity. And if you do, it gets back to you. So Islam, can you punch the sandbag for me, please? Okay, that's a cheat punch. Nothing happened. But then, like, do a real punch. Yeah. Okay, so that's a real punch. Now, we call this proof of workout. Hit the button. Islam, hit the button, please. And let me walk you through like what happens in the demo. So we have here an accelerometer sensor, right? And it counts the number of punches. And down there, you have the development board that has all the processing, right? And it communicates with a smart contract that has the public address of you and the charity. And then it checks if the number of punches goes right, then you get your money back. If it doesn't, it goes to charity. And this is the value we're selling. Like, the value here is with a few functions, you're able to demonstrate a prototype quickly without worrying about the other things. We built the right tool. We provide faster development, faster prototyping, so faster go-to-market. This is the value. This is the selling point. So what the Excel sheets did to the financial sector, we are doing it here in our field, right? So this is our business model. It's very simple. How many developers here in the hackathon? Yeah, this is our customers, right? So blockchain developers who want to connect dApps to hardware, and also hardware developers who want to add blockchain to their products. So we remove the barrier of entry. When you get makers to develop products like this, you'll see a mainstream applications really soon. So our business model is simple. We want to sell hardware and make money out of it, right? But then we have our eyes on the enterprise sector, which we will gain more money out of it, right? So we have production-ready modules that we sell, and we can monetize over software and also over consultancy in big projects. Now, really quickly, what's next for us? We want to add more tech stack, more decentralized technologies, and we're aiming to launch a Kickstarter campaign to get exposure. And if you guys are interested, please sign up here, elkrem.io. Finally, we've done it before. We ran a hardware startup before. We shipped on time. We've done manufacturing in China, and we also handled like the distribution aspect of sales. So we know how the process works. We've done hardware before. This is Islam. He does embedded systems. Islam, our CTO, and myself. I'm the CEO. Can I, just one sentence? What I want to say is we are inspired by Alan Turing. The innovation of Alan is that he not only cracked like cryptographic messages, but he built the right tool that did the job for him. That is it. Thank you very much. I'm happy to answer all questions.